Over here it's our door, so you look for a good curtain that will fit to your door. Okay, usitafute curtain nusu. If you look at my first videos nilikuwa naenda, it looks so bad. So you can also look for a roll zile za kuweka curtains if you want to, but if this one will work for you in the meantime, then look for one, then you tied it up very well uko juu uiekele vizuri. So yeah, that's our door and that's our curtain. You look for a very beautiful curtain. So over here I decided to put my jerry cans in. Imebeba maji ya kupika na ya kuoshea vyombo. So the one that I use to clean my clothes ndo ziko nje, okay? So don't put maji ya kupika nje. Okay, I don't recommend that because people are so different outside, okay? So over here it's where I've put my doormat. Instead of putting it outside, I'm like, let me put it here. Jun kitoa viatu chafu huwa naacha nje, so let me just put it here. Okay, so over here I have my TV stand. I decided to put my TV stand over here because it's next to the socket, so you can just look for a place whereby you know where the socket is so that it can be easier for you. Okay, so don't make the mess. Over here niko na keyhole. It was my key holder, part of my key holder, but ikaanguka. See the way it looks so cute, I know. So this one is air freshener and it's not doing its work well, so nimechokora nikamwacha niache hapo, but that's my TV stand, you can see. So that's the first things you'll see, obviously. Not, okay, you'll see everything at once, but vitu zenye ziko next to the door, those ones. So over here, I did get my mirror. Look at it. It looks so beautiful. Don't mind how I'm dressing, okay? So I do sell clothes, by the way, in a delivery. So please do support your girl. I'll leave my number on my description box. You text me on my WhatsApp. I do sell clothes, okay? So this doormat, this was a doormat nikaiekelea hapa because I don't want this to slide na ianguke. Niliona TikTok na mtu mwenye ilianguka na hadi hakukuwa ameitumia for long. Okay? So I don't want that to happen to mine. Then we have my shoe rack. It's a little bit crazy over here, okay? Nimekelea Bibles, my essentials, ndele kwenye nilianza nayo maisha. Then over here I've also placed my handbags, my shoes. Ndo hizi nguo za customers. So you can order, guys. You can order. Ntaziacha. I'll leave the pictures running behind zenye nimepiga. Yeah, then please do support your girl, okay? So over here you can decide to put your shoe rack because it's next to my mirror. So while I'm doing my makeup, okay, or I'm just putting my oil, I'm just looking at myself kwa kioo, okay? So yeah, then my ring light iko hapo imesharibika. It's done with. Over here it's where I do put my dirty clothes, okay? So nimeiletea hapo kando. Then we have our, what is this called? Our cloth rack or wardrobe, okay? So I got my first PR package. I did it, sorry, on my TikTok, na sikufanya on my YouTube channel, but I got my first PR package from Nice and Lovely. Thank you guys for supporting my content, by the way. That one was just a shoe that nililetewa na hiyo bag. Then over here it's where I've arranged my clothes, okay? Yeah, so that's what you can do basically, okay? You can just put your mirror next to the TV stand, unaona, like it looks so aesthetic because we are almost buying our TV, so we can't wait. So hapa chini ndo nimekelea my tissues, vitu za kufua, yeah, because that space doesn't have anything, so I'm like, let me just arrange them there, but that's how it looks, okay? So don't tell me this single room doesn't look good. Don't tell me that, okay? So over here it's where I've placed my bed. So on this side is where I want to get my chair. I'll think of moving one of these things, one of the shoe rack or the wardrobe, to another place. But this is the thing. This is where I want to put my chair. So that's the space, okay? That's the space nataka kuweka hapo kiti. So yeah, my bed iko hapo. You can also decide to get some art. you put them over there. So I'm thinking of buying zenye nitastick hapo kwa ukuta, like 3 of them, then I remove these ones over here nizitoe hapa. So yeah, that's it. That's basically it. So let's move to my kitchen area. Imagine tuko na kitchen area in our single room. So this is my kitchen area, guys. Over here niko na idami. I do sell clothes once again. So I'll leave my number down below. Support your girl, okay? So I have this doormat. So this was my sister who spoiled my doormat. Alimwagia chai, since then imekata kutoka when I'm washing it. So it's okay. So over here ndo nimepanga vyombo zangu, then my sufurias, unga pale chini, maji ya kunywa, my jug. So when it comes to this side, I told my fundi of the cabinet I want. Just because you are in a single room, you can't make your own cabinet, okay? Just make a small one and utakuwa unapangia hapo spices and other things. It could cost even more than 500 plus the labor. It could cost even more than 500, okay? So over here, it's my wallpaper. Nilistick mwenyewe. Nilistick mwenyewe, by the way. So it looks so beautiful. I'm just giving you ideas of how you can put your single room to look so beautiful. I swear I do love my house. I can't lie to you. So ndoi hand wash yangu nilibuy 80 bob, okay? Tuko kwa single room, but we must have hand wash soap. So over here, hii chupa ndio inasaidianga kukipotea stima. I do put this one. Then hii ni sabuni yangu ya kuoshea vyombo. Then I have my gratitude jar over here. Hey! Then this is... Then hapa I have this toothbrush holder. Nilinunua, I don't know, was it 50 bob? Yeah. Then iko na glue. Over here it's where my curtain is. Nimeishikilia na hii nini, ilikuwa ya handbags. Nikaamua kuiweka ikwe ya kushikilia curtain. So you can see. Yeah, that's it. Then my things over there to cook. Hapa ni maji ya kuosha vyombo, kuoshea mkono. And vitunguu huwa nachota tu hapo pole pole. Iko karibu hadi kuisha. Then my other things, okay? Like that's, I'm just giving you ideas on how you can arrange your single room. I know sina vitu more, but once I get things in this house, hamtatulia. Because if I get a fobana nitaweka tu hapa, mtatulia, mtapumua, okay? So please do subscribe, comment down below. Okay, I'm sorry, by the way, the lighting is not that good, okay? Yeah, I'm so sorry, but yeah, that's it. If you think I should change something, just tell me down below, then I'll do it. But so far so good, okay? Yeah, look at the space that is over here.